Best 3 SEGA Genesis games of all time. The SEGA Genesis is substantially an exhilarating system that was released back in 1989, and it reached new heights within no time. It comprises top-notch franchises including the best Sonic and Mortal Kombat games. After some time of its release, it went toe-to-toe with best-selling SEGA Genesis games, but still, Genesis outclassed as it included the most intriguing games of all time, and later on, it developed a distinctive subscription service called SEGA Channel. Here, GAT Insider's got you a list of the best SEGA games of all time for gaming enthusiasts that you would never regret playing. Michael Jackson's Moonwalker. If you're a Michael Jackson fan, then this video game is substantially the best-selling SEGA Genesis game that's kept his legacy alive. Moreover, this game entails phenomenal animations, and the backdrops are fluid, with vibrant colorful clubs in dark caverns with interesting gameplay. Additionally, to add a buzz of excitement, shooting stars would adequately transform the player into an artillery-equipped cyborg. Comix Zone. Comix Zone is another best SEGA Genesis games of all time that revolves around the starving artist Sketch Turner and his rat Roadkill. This exhilarating gameplay is about Turner, trapped within his comic book by the villainous Mortis, which pushes the writer for combat via 6 stages of Mortis-sketched enemies for survival. Additionally, it entails spectacular visuals with impressive artistic design, making it a huge blockbuster. It has 2 endings and several levels with branching paths that offer great rewards. Players can perform different activities including kicks, punches, and jump attacks within every panel to solve an easy puzzle. Pulseman. Usually, players recognize Game Freak as just a company behind the best Pokemon games, but you'd be surprised to know that Game Freak previously developed Pulseman for Genesis before Pokemon. It manipulates players with the titular character, a little cyborg capable of utilizing several electrical powers to combat the enemies and complete different levels. Moreover, this is one of the best SEGA Genesis games that sets it apart with an enhanced focus on acrobatic maneuvers and distinctive level designs to add more thrill.